Who developed the first computerized quilting and embroidery multifunction machine in China? Who initiated quilting and embroidery multifunction processing technology in China? Who defines a new height that modern quilting and embroidery process soars to? Taking full advantage of the golden waterways of magnificent Yangtze River and Yellow Sea, Jiangsu Dadao Machienry Group Company Limited, located in Haimen, Jiangsu, the most vigorous city in Yangtze River Delta, aims to manufacture first-class quilting and embroidery machines. Capable of research and development and production of advanced mechanical equipment, it has been an essential support for home textiles and apparel fabric quilting and embroidery, has opened up a new era for the development of China's quilting and embroidery machines, and has been leading research and development of these machines globally. Dadao Machienry Group Company Limited is famous domestically and internationally, as it has been #1 in domestic industry of quilting and embroidery machines, and has its products exported to dozens of countries and regions, including Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, South America. Meanwhile, Dadao Machienry Group Company Limited is becoming an all-dimensional multi-industry conglomerate as it actively expands its business range to petroleum machinery, textiles, services, finance, and real estate, etc. Following a core concept that technology creates the future and faith pleases the world, Dadao makes all efforts for a benchmark of computerized quilting and embroidery multifunction machine industry. In 2003, it filled the quilting and embroidery technology gap with China's first computerized quilting and embroidery multifunction machine, which can be used for quilting and embroidery either separately or simultaneously. Features multifunction, quilting and embroidery in cyclic setting, constant tension, integrated filling, automatic alarm, automatic restart repatching, and other functions, and is widely applied to quilting and embroidery process of textiles, clothing, luggage, leather products, and other composite fabrics. Such an appearance evoked a technology revolution for the development of the quilting and embroidery industry, while greatly improving the quantity and quality of quilting and embroidery processed products. With the pioneering and courageous spirit, Dadao Machienry Group Company Limited has achieved 5 series of over 20 kinds of quilting and embroidery machines to meet various needs of textile quilting and embroidery process. Fast speed and highly efficient computerized quilting and embroidery multifunction machine as a classic output from continuous exploration of Dadao Machine Group Company Limited is the 6th generation upgraded model, featuring easy operation, high accuracy in backstitching, strong stereoscopic impression and embroidery. It is over 30% higher in production efficiency than ordinary quilting and embroidery machines, and can be widely applied to quilting and embroidery process in such industries as bedding, clothing, luggage and leather, composite fabrics, and complex patterns. As the new product, intelligent double-row quilting and embroidery multifunction machine was vacated born, which featuring more needle positioning, high revolving speed, shadow back cable of coiling more bottom lines, variable needle gauge, and other features, widens the applications of special quilting and embroidery with its high efficiency, high accuracy in quilting and embroidery patterns, no overlapping stitches in square and diamond patterns, and so on. Wafer series of special quilting and embroidery multifunction machines are the multifunction machines mounted with wafers and wafer feeding devices to be compatible with wafer quilting and embroidery functions to produce various bright and colorful patterns. They are widely used to process curtains, clothing, footwear, bags, and other textile fabrics. Special computerized quilting machine with towel chain stitch embroidery technique is another #1 in domestic industry of quilting and embroidery machines. It not only suits mass production and intensive patterns of products like curtains and knitted garments, by picking features from quilting and embroidery machines, towel embroidery machines, and wafer series, but also yields embroideries featuring strong stereoscopic impression, rich colors, and powerful expressivity. Single needle stitching or multi-needle stitching quilting machine series has the best quilting equipment currently applied to processing a variety of quilts and cushion covers, and are capable of automatically quilting based on designed patterns and real-time display of quilting status. Success starts with right mindsets. Dadao's advanced products result from great vision and precise positioning. As a research and development leader in the industry, it follows a management concept of focusing on technical innovation. It injects stable investment into research, whose annual funding occupies over 6% of sales revenue. Research and development as a driving force enables Dadao to successfully develop and market 1 or 2 new products annually. Many Dadao's products have obtained national invention patents, including the National Key New Products Program, the National Torch Program, and the National Innovation Fund Project. Also won the Industry Technology Innovation Award, the Gold Award of the International Patent Fair, and many other honors. Having established a provincial research center for engineering technology and been identified as National Key High-Tech Enterprise and Unit for Industry Standard Drafting, Dadao acted as a chief drafter of 2 industry standards of industrial sewing machine computer-controlled multi-head quilting and embroidery machine, and industrial sewing machine computer-controlled double-row quilting and embroidery machine, and successfully leads the industrial development. Over the past 2 decades, Dadao Machienry Group Company Limited has formed a unique business philosophy. Following a management mode of people orientation and common development, it actively implements talent training program and actual operation training to enhance the overall quality and vocational skills of company members. Currently, the company has over 500 employees, including more than 80 engineer-titled scientific and technical members. The innovative research and development team has become a core competency for Dadao to be a leader in the global market. Dadao Group follows a service principle of customer first and service foremost, hosts quality seminars regularly, controls quality strictly, forms a sound sales and service network, sets up a professional service team offering 2 specials: product hotline 24 hours a day and food tracking service. Dadao is committed to meeting customers' changing needs. With favorable conditions of geographical location, tie-up, and human, Dadao undertakes a mission to move Chinese embroidery industry forward and has become a most promising and trustworthy strategic partner. As heaven's movement is ever vigorous, so must the gentleman ceaselessly strive along. Faced with the changing market, Dadao Machienry Group Company Limited will dedicate itself to innovation and excellence to be an internationalized, diversified brand and to forge ahead towards the pinnacle of the industry.